Chapter 10. Hututu Hututu. Hututu 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 Hututu. Out out. All the girls on one side shouted loudly. Hututu Hututu Hututu. Hold from here. Hututu Hututu. Hold from the leg, the leg, the leg. Hold her leg. Hututu Hututu. Basuda, you come here. You hold her from here. Hey, make sure that Shamara's hand does not touch the line. Hold her hand. Hututu, Hututu. Oh, she has touched. She has touched it. Out, out, out. All out. Ho, ho, ho. Your team is all out. What are these girls doing? They are shouting, out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. What do you call this game? Chedugudu, Hututu, Chukitkit, Hadudu, or Kabaddi, or something else? When six girls surrounded Shamula and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs and somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shamala was not the one to give up. She dragged herself and managed to touch the line in the center. When Shamala touched the line, all the girls of the opposite team were holding her. Them So all of them go out. But Rosie argued that Shamula had taken a breath in between, so the team was not out. Shamula insisted that this was not true. She said that if she had taken a breath, why did the girls keep holding her? There was a big argument. Finally, Shamula won. For the teacher, using the game, bring children's attention to this point that we make rules in our lives that way we do in games so that things can be done in a proper manner. We have difference and fights among ourselves and we do resolve them. When you play kabaddi, how many players do you have in a team? How many players go out when Shamula touches the line? Do you have ways to resolve disputes in games? Comment this. The game of kabaddi. So, this is what a game of kabaddi is like: pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. It is a rough game, yet it has many rules. It is lots of fun and lots of exercise, holding your breath while running and continuously saying kabaddi, kabaddi, and also trying to touch the players of the opposite team. So many things to do in kabaddi. You can do this as long as you can hold your breath. You need to use both your body and mind in this game. You have to use your strength to pull or stop the player. At the same time, you have to think about how to enter the other side. You have to decide whom to touch quickly and come back. If you get caught, then how do you reach the line in the center? For the teacher, you can organize a discussion on the topic that in games also many a times the children experience discrimination on the basis of gender, caste and class. Try to hold your breath and keep saying kabaddi kabaddi. How many times could you say it? How many times can you say it? While you are playing kabaddi, is there any difference? Comment this. Next time, when you play kabaddi, focus your attention on your legs, arms and eyes. You will notice that good coordination is required between eyes, legs and arms. Make a picture in your notebook to show how Shamula managed to get the entire opposing team out in one go. What does it mean to be out in games? When does one get out in kabaddi? In some games, it is very important to touch the player. For example, in the game of Kho, you get out when someone touches you. You also get your turn by someone's touch. Name some games in which it is very important to touch the players. In Kabaddi, the entire team was out because Shamula had touched the line. What are some other games in which the central line is very important? What are the games in which, besides the player, you have to touch some things or colors? Comment this. For the teacher, the activity given above in the box should be done only under the teacher's or elder's supervision. Do you play kabaddi? Is there a girls' kabaddi team in your school? Do you think that your grandmother played kabaddi when they were your age? Ask them. Do girls in your area play kabaddi or any other outdoor game? If there are girls who do not play, then what are the reasons for them not playing? Discuss. Karnam Malashwari. Have you seen or read about her in the newspaper? Karnam Maleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Maleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. Her four sisters also practice weightlifting. A story of three sisters. Look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. The picture is of the three sisters, Jawla, Leela, and Hira. They live in Mumbai. All three of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. Jawla tells, when we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. People thought that if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys. For the teacher, help children find out the sports person who won medals in Olympic Games. Close to play kabaddi. That is why they stopped girls from playing. The sisters were young when their father died. Their mother and mamma's maternal uncles brought them up. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho. They encouraged the three girls to play kabaddi. Jawla and Leela talk about their experience. Almost 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. Parents did not let them play the game. But we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. We three learned the game, and some other girls also joined us. We formed a kabaddi club, which is active even today. Remembering those days. Leila and Hira still get very excited when they talk about their matches. They tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. This was possible because of their strong will during those matches. Some very interesting things happened. Once they had to go to a different town for a big match. Leela tells the match had to start to at 6:30 in the evening. We went to see a movie from 3 to 6 o'clock. We thought we would be back in time for the match. As soon as the movie started, we noticed some noise and disturbance. It was created by our mamma, who was looking for us in the hall with a torch. When he found us, he gave a big scolding right there in the cinema hall. For the teacher, use these examples to draw children's attention to the reality that many times girls do not get equal opportunities in games. Ask children what they call their maternal uncle. The sisters had to face many difficulties because of kabaddi, but that did not reduce their fun. Hira, the youngest sister, became a kabaddi coach. She wishes that children like you should enjoy and play many games, especially kabaddi. Have you learned any game from a coach? Which one? Do you know of anyone who has learned any game from a coach? Comment this. Discuss. How does a coach teach? How does a coach make a player practice? How hard do you think the players have to work? Have you ever thought of making a club for your favorite game? Imagine that there are 15 children to play Kho. They must form two teams with equal numbers 7 each. Then one player will be left. What will you do if this happens? Have you ever become the extra persons in the middle? Write about this. Every game has some rules. The game is played according to those rules. Let us see what happens if the rules are changed. For example, in cricket, a batsman gets out if the bails fall off the stumps. Imagine if there is a rule that the entire team will be out if all the three stumps fall. Would it be fun? Try and play the game with this rule. Similarly, make some rules for other games and play. Comment this.